Official. Twitter will now charge for SMS two-factor authentication. Oh, my God.
What do you think about that?
That's terrible.
Yeah.
That is like the worst idea ever. Normally, I would try to approach this with some degree of nuance, but I just can't imagine why you would take such a necessary feature and apply this treatment to it. I mean, I know you want subscribers. I saw Zuckerberg was like, we're going to do it too. We need subscribers because of the advertiser fallout. 4 hours ago, Zoe Schiffer tweeted a scoop. Twitter would begin charging for SMS two-factor authentication, and now it's official. You have to pay for the privilege of using Twitter's worst form of authentication. In fact, if you don't start paying for Twitter Blue, $8 a month on Android or $11 a month on iOS, or switch your account to use a far more reliable authenticator app or physical security key, Twitter will simply turn off your 2FA after March 20th. But this guy likes it. This, or girl, whoever wrote this, good riddance to SMS is my feeling, given how common SIM swap hacks are these days. Heck, Twitter's own Jack Dorsey was successfully targeted by the technique 4 years ago. You don't want someone to get access to your accounts by proving they are you simply because they've stolen your phone number. That's how Twitter is trying to justify this change too, but I wouldn't be surprised if there's a simpler reason. It costs money to send SMS messages. Okay, this is true. But what I don't get is if you're going to lock out 2FA via SMS, then because of a security issue, then why wouldn't you lock out SMS-based 2FA for all accounts? Like, never mind just free accounts, but also verified accounts. Do you see where I'm going here? Mm-hmm. The way that headline was phrased seemed to indicate that this would apply exclusively to non-Twitter Blue subscribers. So, but maybe that's just the initial phase and it's part of an eventual swap out in general. Twitter's own transparency data shows that as of December 2021, only 2.6% of Twitter users had 2FA turned on. 2.6%. And 74% of those users were using SMS as their method. Well, because it was a thing that had been previously encouraged as a method. I think this might lead in the short term to just fewer people using 2FA, more accounts being hacked, and just an overall less secure scenario. Unless they do a major push for alternative 2FA means and methods, then maybe they can move people rapidly to this new format and make the entire thing more secure. But I guess people, they really want to push authentication apps, which, by the way, should remain available for free accounts. It's just looks like it's SMS 2FA that's available to paid accounts, if I'm reading this correctly, which obviously is a new layer of complexity.
Yeah, Elon did reply to this story, and he's like, I think it's like $60 million that they pay, or the users pay to get the text messages to telcos. So, like, 60 million goes to the telcos.
That is wild. It is that text messaging still costs that much, even at scale in 2023. And does it? I mean, I know the telcos can charge whatever they want, I guess, whatever's competitive. And it's not like there's other options out there, right? You got to go to the telcos to reach the users to send the text. But I don't know. Are people ready? Is every human, all the many millions of users, ready for a separate authenticator app? Not sure. But maybe in the future, that's the way people are forced to go, or they pay for Twitter Blue. Yeah. But let's be honest, and I know that listen, this is obviously a justification. It's not costing them $8 a month for your particular account. Let's not get this all mixed up here. $8 a month for the one SMS you might receive when you re-log in every 3 or 4 months or whatever it happens to be. That's probably not costing $8 a month.
Yeah.
Let's just keep that in there.
All right.